Can't see.
Andre. You're out, Andre. Shoot him.
Okay, let's go. Light off, light off. Whose red light is that? Huh? Fucking hella, bro. It's the witch. Don't go bright, don't go bright. Don't use your light as much as possible.
Talk.
Mana, talk.
This guy right here volunteered for zombies. And he made that sound just now. Oh,
Don't shoot me.
walk out the door. Walk out the door.
Hey! You know we were pretty ruthless. We're giving you a chance to move out.
You should probably run.
Covering him.
Hey, whoever now, light.
Someone get this outside real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. You're supposed to peek out loud.
Clear. Clear. Yes, go ahead.
Hallway, hallway, hallway. Hallway, 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 hallway. Hallway. They're both in the hallway. Hey, go out this way. Yeah, let's move. Yeah, your light's pretty low vis. Keep it down.
What's this guy right here?
That's friendly. Is that friendly?
Wait, is it the guy with the black shirt?
Right, right. Here's zombies.
Zombie right here.
You got two. You got two. Yep, I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. Steve! Right there. Make sure the next time I don't miss. 360. Do not panic move. Do not panic. No, no, do not panic move. Once you start splitting it up, that's bad.
Hey, up in the
Stick
two-
together.
Up in the two-story.
They're moving around. They're moving around. One guy moving right here.
Watch your light on that side. Nice. Good job. All right. All right. Sorry, Scott. Right here, right here.
Wait, they put that question.
No, it's not. Sorry, sorry, dude.
Right there. How do you say that's clear?
Lower match.
Hallway, window.
Nice try, dude. Is that shot or Shano? Right. Yep. Clear on this side. Clear. Boo, come over. I don't know. Yep, we gotta move fast. For that.
Come over there though, you're gonna do something up and shoot at us.
So go straight.
Fuck it.
I don't know. Watch that. I'm staying in here. I hear them on the other side though. Oh. I see feet moving. Yep, I see feet moving. Move on my front. Move over here, bro. Oh, that's pretty good. That kind of made me pee a little. Oh, move left. Right to left movement. This room.
Oh, they got pumped already.
Oh, outside the door.
Outside?
Yup. You got me, Dre? Whoa! Left to right.
Hey, he's running around that backside right there. That's that door. Window? No.
Oh, right to left.
Oh my God.
Oh! This guy trying to get tricky with the axe.
Oh,
He's dead.